All right, so in this video, we're going to learn how to do a slip knot, which is how you begin most projects. So it's the same for both knitting and crocheting. So I'm gonna show you how to do it for both. So we're gonna take our yarn. I'm gonna hold it real close to the camera so you can see. So you're gonna put it with the tail end down over your fingers. You can use 2, you can use 3. You could use 1 if you're feeling ambitious. I like to use 3. So you put your thumb in the middle. You wrap it around until it reaches the top. So it's wrapped around my fingers just once, one full rotation. Then you bend your fingers in and you put the yarn under this loop that's around your fingers. Pull the loop up, then you're going to pinch it shut. At this point, you can do a couple different things. You can take your fingers out and slide your hook or your needle into the stitch, or you can keep your fingers in the yarn, pinch it with your thumb, and do the same thing. Put your hook or your needle into the loop, whatever's more comfortable for you. Once your hook or your needle is in, you can pull the yarn out and then just pull it to tighten. So there you go. So that's your slip knot on a crochet hook. I'll do it again and I'll loop it onto a knitting needle this time. So we're going to put it over 3 fingers, pinch with our thumb, 1 full rotation, hook it under, pull that loop up, pinch, remove your fingers, stick your knitting needle in, and then tighten. There you go. And that is how you do a slip knot for both knitting and crocheting.